Do you have a bachelor's degree?
No, I did it with them. I started with a certificate and with Regenesis.
Babe Mkhwanazi ngiyabuyela la
NQF level. I did it, it's NQF level. The postgraduate, it's NQF level 6, if I'm not mistaken. I contest, I said, no. This is not my signature, it's heavy. It's like a big head. It's JD. See, this one, no. Yes, that 2 days after, this stepping now.
So in light of that experience and the gratitude as expressed by the mayor on the 30th,
Molweni bafethu, I hope everybody's doing great. Wherever you are watching this video from, it is salute lapho. Namhlanje bafethu, I want to check out Julius Mkhwanazi. Julius Mkhwanazi ngu-Deputy Chief we-EMPD, which is ekuruleni. So beke wavela kule madlaka commission, apparently nayo unesandla kule nto yorhwaphilizo edibene no-Cat. Besicimba uBaxter yimboza yo kanti awuCat katela emnyama sibonisa imihlolo. Let me know bafethu banecinga ntoni ngalo mjito uJulius ajoka. Let's check him out.
I moved, I drove, made a U-turn, and it was maybe 4 or 5 houses. When we enter, it's like, can I put it, for example, it's the corner, it's 4 or 5 houses. We came to this direction, it's correct. Then we turned right. It's 4 or 5 houses there. You see, he came with the car. So,
Sorry, Commissioner. I don't know if that's been captured.
Sorry. Yeah, but let me repeat it because it's only EMPD that doesn't have uniform. Now, when you go around and see female officers approaching you with their trousers, may I stand up just to show? With their trousers, here, patched. No, it doesn't give a good reflection of the ambassadors of the city. I call them ambassadors. You see, you send officers to respond in a very challenging situation. You don't have
Paragraph 3, there is a reference there to a truck. Do you see that?
Yes.
What color do you say the truck is?
In terms of the color. No, that truck, you know these open trucks, it was opened. You see, I could see it from the back side, you see, because it was facing direction north.
Direction north.
The gate is this side.
Let me.
It may be white, but I don't want, or off-white or yellow. But what I saw,
White, yellow.
it was opened.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Yes.
I'll assist you then with reference to your paragraph 3.
I wanted briefings, my daughter. Sorry. Colleagues, how were you working? How are you working? Remember, we don't talk, me and Mr. Spies. You see, I'm supposed to get a briefing, you see. But this one is not going to get any briefing. And I must mention that when I took off as a Deputy Chief of Police, I didn't get any debriefing.
Is it true that you refer to Mr. Matlala as boss?
Boss?
Yeah, boss.
No, we call each other Ngamla.
What's that?
Ngamla means senior, Ngamla.
What does that mean?
He's not my boss.
What does that mean?
Sorry?
What does
I
that
don't want
mean?
to put it like that.
What does it
Ngamla,
mean?
it's a total of saying Mlungu.
What is that? So you tell what?
Mlungu. It's a total of saying
Mlungu?
Ngamla Mlungu, yes.
Oh, like a white man?
Yes,
Hi,
that's how we
Wena.
call it. In Gauteng, you call it, it's a total. That's how we grew up
see.
calling Ngamla.
Okay. All right. I think I'm done with
Even
you.
in Sotho, we say Lihowa, if you don't want to sort
I think I'm done with you. Thank you, Mr. Matlala.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Breitenbach. Ngamla means Ngamla means a person who has money.
So, Opoza, how many liters a day of water?
Ngiyaphuza man, it's after I let the COVID.
Hayi, phuza mwana, nophuza before sokhuluma. Sizokwazi ukuthi sixoxe. Phuza bhuti. Nodlamelani manje. Hawu. Nkwale Nkosi. Kuwe no Baba Cat Matlala. Ubani onamanga kakhulu?
Ngani?
Wena uthi eindabeni angimazi mina uMatlala. Maze sifike lokhu nje SABC News uyicheck ugcoka ijacket eblack. Wathi awumazi. Wabuya ngena ngapha wathi uyamazi ublood brother wakho. So
I think zangumamele kahle. Yes.
What
Ngathi angiyazi blue lights. There are no blue lights, and I'm still
Oh,
firm
awazi
on that.
blue
Yes, yes. I even said there are letters. You see. I thought the journalist will ask about the letter. No. He said to me, no, I'm aware about that.
Oh.
You see.
Angixolisele lapho.
Lapho esifara khona ukuthi imoto zafika kithi. No, zange
sizobuya lapha sidlule lapha.
What's your relationship with Vusi Musi Cat Matlala?
I don't have a relationship with Vusi Musi Matlala.
Mr. Vusi Matlala,
We were very, very, very close, like a brother. There was a time where we were calling each other Black Brother. 2009, there were adverts. I applied for superintendent position. Then I was appointed as a superintendent. Superintendent at Public Order Policing Unit. I became a unit commander.
Commissioner,
Yes, Commissioner.
please hold your thoughts.
please don't forget the question from the chair. You referred to that unit as the SWAT team.
SWAT, yes, I will remember
And then
it, yes.
he says
I
he
must remind
remembers
him.
that term from the movies. So could you please assist him?
Yes, I will assist
in
now.
understanding what it stands for. Thank you.
Yes, I
Or
will
you
ask-
two don't recall off the top of your head what SWAT stands for?
Yeah.
Okay, then
I
the
call
chair
it
doesn't
in-
have to feel that bad.
I'm like the commissioner. Say, I don't use your.
Do you know what SWAT stands for?
intervention. I don't
No.
know SWAT.
What does SWAT
Intervention.
stand
I
for?
don't want to talk about SWAT.
What does SWAT stand for?
I don't know, sir.
You call yourself a tactical head and you don't know what SWAT stands for?
No, I don't know. Sir.
Are you a police officer? Yes or no?
I can't answer that. You played the video now. I can't answer that.
Are you a police officer?
What does that video tell you?
Are you a police officer?
I can't answer that.
Are you a police officer?
I can't answer that.
And you don't know what SWAT means?
I can't answer that.
Yeah, at this rate, you're not going to be a police officer for very
My
long.
constitutional right to say I can't answer that.
Oh, fine.
Yes,
You're the one
you
that
can.
that
And you don't
looks
have
like
to
a police
force me.
officer that doesn't know
And
what
you don't
SWAT
need to
means.
force me.
I'm not going to.
In the city, it was for the first time for us to have a coalition government. Economic Freedom Front and Democratic Alliance formed a coalition immediately after elections.
I don't think they will appreciate you calling them Economic Freedom Front.
EFF.
Freedom fighters.
Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you, Commissioner. Thank you for correcting me. Thank you for correcting me. I usually call EFF. Yes. Let me call it correctly. Economic Freedom Fighters. Yes, and Democratic Alliance. Then Chief Mapie presented a document that is attached to the submissions. In council, when you've got long service, they give you the status of Aldam. It's Alderwoman or Alderman. It's Alderwoman Tanya, so not Alderman, Alderwoman Tanya Campbell, who was the executive mayor at that time. Then we met with seniors from her office. Commissioner, let me raise this. I, Julius Dr. Mkhwanazi,
Yes.
Deputy Chief of Operation and Specialized Services,
Yes.
say in this commission and in members of public of this country, Deputy Chief of Police, Ray Hospice, presented a forged plan that he forged and presented to this commission. I'm going to present the real operational plan that I gave it to him when I was instructed to give him that plan.
I
We
accept
need
that.
it. Yes, I'm going to do it.
Commissioner Mkwanazi, all I sought to do was to obtain from you the name of the person you say forged the document. That was all.
Yes.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Humble apologies. Yes.
Before we
But
move on, have some water, please.
yes, yeah. Thank you, Commissioner.
You are more helpful when you are calm, so take your time, drink your water, and try to relax.
Thank you, Commissioner.
We are at the stage where we're only clarifying. We're not questioning you or challenging what you are saying.
Yes, sir.
So I just need to understand that it was you who brought in cat protection services. So you introduced them to the Alder Women's senior team.
Yes.
So that they know who cat services is, cat protection services. And then because you were at a level of a director, you don't sit in the operational planning meeting, but you introduced the team from cat protection services and they became part of that meeting that produced the operational plan. Do I have you correct?
Yes, but that doesn't mean that I don't oversee.
No,
They still report to me.
All I wanted to understand was that it was you who introduced cat protection services and you brought them in.
Yes, Commissioner.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank
And the plan was developed by, as I've said, acting Chief Superintendent Xemba.
You rolled out the red carpet. Had it not been for that first meeting between yourself and Mike van Wyk, Kat Matlala wouldn't have found his fingers into the city. Am I correct that you opened the door to all of this?
He provided.
You were the first one who engaged him.
Not all of this. Let us correct it. He provided service once. The state of the city, it was nothing and nothing happened. You are talking as if he was providing service in different things.
You opened the door to him.
For state of the city.
Yes, you opened the door. The fact remains you opened the door.
For the state
You
of the
rolled
city,
out the red carpet for Mr. Matlala. And
not-
everything else followed.
I don't work with carpets, madam. Let's correct it.
Mr. Kwanazi, you've been working for almost 2 decades for the city, right? When did your problem start in terms of suspensions?
2022.
When did you meet Kat and Mike?
In that year. 2021.
So when did your problem start? When did your first suspension start? You had no problems before you met these characters.
Good morning, Brigadier Mkwanazi.
Morning, Commissioner.
Please place your full names on record.
Sorry?
Please place your full names on record.
I'm Julius Dr. Mkwanazi.
And please switch on the second one. Thank you. And maybe if you can, just try to pull them closer to you.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Thank you. Do you swear that the evidence you're going to give is the truth, the whole truth?
Yes, Commissioner, I swear that the evidence.
Just a minute.
Oh, yes, I swear.
Just a minute.
Yes, I swear that.
No. Please don't rush. Please don't rush. Let me start all over and just listen. Do you swear that the evidence you're going to give is the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? If so, please raise your right hand and say, "So help me God."
So help me God.
Thank you. Thank you, Brigadier.
Thank you.
So far, do you trust Kat Matlala?
He hasn't done bad thing to me.
Oh, lolo. Mkwanekos. Ngubuza ngesizulu ndakaba. Kuloko sokubonile usamthemba yini uKat Matlala? Ukwamthemba before?
Yeah, before being Temba, because
Usamthemba manje.
I might say my doubts.
Unama-doubt.
Yes, says me lentils belayo man. That's all.
Are you on suspension manje?
Yes.
Do you hope ukubuyela esiphoyiseni uyophatha futhi?
Yes, I can still lead.
Do you think you are
I'm
a
still
good leader?
committed. I'm committed.
Do you think you are a good leader?
Yes, I'm committed.
Do you think we should trust you as South Africans?
Yes.
Why?
I do my work on a daily basis. I deliver in terms of the mandate that I'm being given, that I'm appointed for. I do that 100%.
In your mandate?
I think there were shortfalls in terms of some of decisions that I took. You see, I didn't do that. There was a question that Umhlonisha was asking. No, chairperson. You see, the intelligent part, we asked.
Oh,
there were questions that Umhlonishwa, he asked, and there was a question which Chairperson I raised. Now you raise it many times that intelligent, you see. And I've said, I think there's an oversight, there's a shortfall on my side. I must make sure that I improve in that skill. In making sure that you don't trust a person at the first time or.
Linking as a mali mganam.
No.
Nazi kolot.
No, ngisenazo. No. I call it the is gone.
Elerinsi.
No.
Battles.
No. I don't buy. No. I don't buy in school aid.
Have you ever received any money from Mr. Vusi Musi Matlala, or him personally, directly, or any of his companies?
No, but
It's a yes or no.
The part just might be interesting.
No, let me say,
Okay, I'll allow you the batch.
sometimes he'll give me money for petrol, or sometimes he'll borrow money from me. Saying I'm lang mali petrol, can give me 500 rand, 300 rand. It's those monies. But we use, as I've said to you, we're beginning to be that close now.
The short answer is that you did get money from him for things like petrol, 500 rand here, 300 rand here for food.
Yes. There was a time where there was serious frustration on suspension coming. Remember, I was getting overtime and some benefits. Then it was difficult for me to buy food and feed the kids and see. Then I'll say, Ngamla, 200 nyana, 1,000 nyana, and he will and say, no, Ngamla, I'll give you some, you see. Yes.
Are you an honest man?
Yes, Chair. Yes, Chair.
Did you disclose the monies you got from Matlala?
No, I disclosed.
Where did you disclose them to?
I bought cows. I disclosed that I've got cows. I bought those that it was 20 to the city. With the city to disclose.
You did what?
20, with the city to disclose.
Yes.
2022, 2023. Yes, I think it's 2022.
I'm talking about the 3 transactions that you have alluded to.
Yes.
Did you disclose them?
Yes. The first 2 and the last ones for the cows I disclosed to the council, to the city.
To the council?
Yes.
Do you have records?
It's with the city, sir.
Showing that?
Yeah, it's with the city, not with me.
So if we request them from the city, they will give them
They will give you, sir. They will give you.
So you disclosed all the 3 transactions?
I disclosed of the funeral. I didn't disclose because it was going to the funeral, but of the counts I disclosed. The one it was for funeral, it was not me, and I.
But it was transferred to your account. That's what you told us, isn't it so?
If it was not for a personal benefit, it was for my personal benefit. It was.
No, but it was transferred.
Yes, you're correct.
Yes, so you're not supposed to disclose it.
Because it's a funeral, I didn't share. I didn't. For funeral, I didn't.
Does it matter what the money is paid for?
Yes, when you disclose, you must mention money for this, money for this.
Yeah, but I'm saying the fact that it was a funeral, does it make it less important for you to disclose it? Because it was for the funeral.
I took it, the funeral is not that, you can't publicize things for the funeral.
No, but
you're not answering the question.
Yes.
What is the requirement? When you receive money, do you have to disclose it or not?
For personal, can you disclose?
So you can't, you are telling this committee that if the money has been paid for the funeral, you can't disclose it?
No, I'm not saying you can't. I didn't do that. Let me say, I didn't do that. I didn't.
No, I'm talking of principle now. I'm not talking about what you did and what you did not do. In terms of principle, when you receive money for the funeral, are you supposed to disclose it?
Chair, you know, when you check people that some donated 1,000 rand, some donated 500, I didn't disclose all those monies.
But I'm talking principle, Mr.
Commissioner Mkhwanazi, what is the policy? What does the policy say?
It says when you receive gifts, any gifts, money or any gifts for personal benefit, to disclose.
Correct.
Yes.
Now, for the funeral, because I want you to state it on the record. For the funeral, You are not supposed to disclose it. Is that the evidence you are tendering before this committee?
No, I didn't disclose for the funeral.
No,
you are not supposed to.
Let's leave what you did not do. I'm talking about principle now.
Principle, you are supposed to disclose, but I didn't disclose.
You didn't.
Yes.
So you did something wrong.
I think so. Because I thought it's funeral. But if it's wrong, it's wrong. I can't deny it.
Okay.
Whatever language that is used, whether it's facilitation or assistance, this is what you did.
Yes. If facilitation, yes. Facilitation
We don't
is
need
saving
to fight about this.
Facilitation is saving prison. Commissioners, you are there. I can't agree to leave my kids and go to jail for something that I didn't do. I didn't put blue lights. I must say, I can't.
Nobody.
I may want to be honest and impress you, but not with lies.
Nobody has said anything about jail, Commissioner.
This is a commission of inquiry. You will be making recommendation. I will be sitting somewhere. And I won't see you with that. I will see you after 10 years or 50 years.
And Commissioner, to be fair to you, I don't think anybody is suggesting that you physically got the blue lights and fitted them on Mr. Matlala's vehicles. I don't think anybody is suggesting that.
Commissioners, on your side, yes, but that side, it's different. Even yesterday, you assisted me when I was lost, agreeing about that letter that you submitted, a letter to Chief of Police. I was saying it's English. I was lost. Up until you said, no, man, this is 20. I said, no, but you said you didn't remember. I said, in fact, there you were so fair to me because I was lost, and you were able to assist me. And at night, when I was with you, I said, but they're fair. They assisted me where I was lost. Thank you for that.
I didn't mean to interrupt because we don't have enough time.
Sorry.
Because of the debate about facilitation, yes. I thought it's only fair that I take you to the documents so that you can understand what the allegation is. And now that I've done that and we've agreed that this is what you did, and give the time back to advocates.
Then I submitted this. Said no, write the intention with the unions. We wrote the other one, but
and I'm saying you submitted it because you were hoping they wouldn't suspend you once they read it.
Yes.
So you are suggesting then this is why you said the English that you did. I'm just checking. I don't want to misunderstand you. Okay. Lastly, let's.
I'm dead. You are continuing to kill me whilst I'm dead.
Uyabhatyaza nomfo. Even if akanatyala indlela atatazela ngayo, indlela abila ngayo, indlela wasela ngayo amanzi would swear bahama nikhona into nyana yaziyo. Maybe usindwa ngeligama lika Julius okanye usindwa ilefani kaMkhwanazi. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. Until the next one.